So I bought a new bike, another bike, and it's a bike that's designed for snow and beaches and off-road. Some people call it snow bike, them a snow bike, and it has snowed a little bit outside. So I woke up this morning, looked out the window, and it looked like it was quite deep. So I went downstairs to have my breakfast, and it's not that deep. But it's quite icy on the road, so I'm going to give it a little whirl, see what it's like, see how it handles out there. And yeah, looking forward to it. I'm excited, to be fair. Yeah, just while I'm getting ready and getting my breakfast ready and stuff, I'm just going to feed the wildlife outside. One good thing about this house, well, one of the many things, is that it's such a big house, but it's got such a big garden. I mean, look at that. Big garden. And there are squirrels here. I've seen 4 squirrels all at once. They obviously live in the trees, and I've seen a couple of robin redbreasts, there's 2. They just literally sort of hang out the back there. And then I have seen a rat. It's rather a healthy looking rat. It's not a sort of scabby city rat. I did see it quite close up, and it does look quite healthy. So yeah, I'm going to put some nuts out for it, well, for all of them, and we'll see what comes out while I'm getting ready. And there she is, and there it is. It's got the Shimano Steps motor at the front. It's got a really good 1600 lumens M99 mini light. It's got the 4-inch tyres at the front. Got the 5-inch tyre at the back. That's a big tyre. It's got a roll-off hub, speed hub. It's got a roll-off speed hub, which is 14 speeds. It's all internal. There's no derailleur to get snagged anywhere when you're going through undergrowth and things. And it's got the 8500 watt Shimano Steps Assist, and there's a panel for it. It shows you cadence and speed and how much you've got left, how much power you got left. And there's a little GoPro. Yeah, it's a beast. Oh yeah, pretty good on the snow, on the ice. Just at 10 miles an hour, it's not fast. It's not a bike for a shy person. You do get a lot of people staring at it. Understandably, really. But he's a beast. Back wheel is skidding a little bit, which certainly won't be on. This bike is absolutely no fun whatsoever.